You've been in digital marketing for 3 months and you're not making 5K a month. Here's why. Now, this is assuming that you're showing up every day in your business and you're putting in the work, but still not getting the results. Number one, your content is not getting through to the people you want to serve. Just posting about tips and tricks and tutorials is not going to cut it. You got to find out who your ideal client is, what problem they're having, and what experience they want to have, and base all your content around those things. Decrease or don't do it at all. Stop talking about how great your product or services are and base your content on their needs and let them make that decision for themselves. And number two, your business is way too broad and you're trying to sell to everyone instead of one specific person. Listen, by trying to talk to everyone, you end up talking to no one, and that's why you're not seeing any results. Tell me, what sounds better to you? I help people make money online versus I help single moms make money without having a lot of money and no college education. If you like this, I need you to do two things. Comment down below what your biggest struggle in your business. And if you want to join my community, I have a waiting list coming up that we're going to introduce and talk about it more in detail on my live event. So you just click down there and make sure you do that right there. I see you on the other side.